In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have an animated Steam profile, a simple and straightforward process that you can complete in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Steam application. You'll want to have your Steam app ready on your device, whether it's your desktop or laptop. Once you have it open, look for the login button, typically at the top right corner of the window. Go ahead and click on that button to bring up the login screen. Next, enter your account name and password. Ensure that all your login details are correct, as this will help you avoid any frustrating login issues. After typing in your credentials, click on the sign in button. This will take you directly to your Steam homepage. Now that you're on your Steam homepage, find your Steam profile. It should be near the top right as a drop down menu under your account name. Click on that and then select View My Profile from the drop down. This will direct you to your personal profile page where you can manage your profile's appearance and content. Once you're on your profile page, you'll want to locate the artwork section. Click on artwork, which you can find directly below your profile picture or listed in the sidebar navigational menu. Following this, you will see an option to upload artwork. Click on that button to proceed to the next step. In the upload artwork section, you're given an option to specify whether the artwork is game specific or not. For our purposes, select not game specific, which allows flexibility in the artwork you choose to upload. Next, give your artwork a memorable and catchy name. This distinguishes your animation and makes it identifiable to others viewing your profile. Then hit the Choose File to Upload button. Navigate through your device's file system to locate the animated artwork file you want to bring to life in your profile. Once selected, upload the file to Steam. Consider adding a bit of flair and context by including a description of your artwork. You should then set the visibility settings according to your preference. This determines who can see your animated profile artwork. Be sure to check the rights and ownership box to confirm that you have the proper ownership or permissions for the artwork you're uploading. Finally, to wrap things up, hit the Save and Continue button. This action will save your changes and publish your animated profile art for all to see, bringing a dynamic touch to your Steam profile. And there you have it, a vibrant animated profile that stands out in the Steam community. Thanks for following along, and I hope your profile captures the attention and admiration you're aiming for. Happy gaming!